What's the meaning of blue law? Blue law. Blue law.
Blue law. Blue law. A blue law is a type of law that typically regulates or restricts certain activities on Sundays or other religious or cultural holidays. These laws were originally created to enforce a day of rest, often based on religious beliefs, and were intended to promote piety and morality. Common examples of activities restricted by blue laws include the sale of alcohol, hunting and fishing, and certain types of commerce. While some states still have blue laws in place, many have been repealed or relaxed in recent years due to changing attitudes toward religion and the need for economic growth.